Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and writing the first lines. Open your editor in the project folder, create main, C and type hash include stdio, H and int main, return 0. Do this now because compiling requires valid syntax. Once done, save the file and open a terminal. Make sure to use a consistent file name and extension. Naming matters when you compile. This step gets you to a compilable unit quickly, so you can iterate and learn by doing. Now compile and expand functionality so you understand how changes map to behavior. Run gcc main, co main and then /main. If errors appear, read the first message and fix that line. Add a print to observe output, declare ints and char arrays, then introduce an if or for loop to see flow control. Once you confirm output, refactor a bit and recompile. Make incremental edits and compile, often so you learn error patterns, and keep the program working step by step. Finish by testing and stabilizing the code. That's where real typing practice pays off. Run your program with varied inputs and check edge cases. Use GCC wall to reveal suspicious code. When behavior is wrong, reproduce the issue, add a print or step through with GDB, and resolve the root cause. Once tests pass, create a simple makefile so builds are consistent. If something still fails, reread the compiler message and isolate the function causing the problem, one failing function at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.